Hey everyone, before this video starts, I just want to say thank you so much for 600 subscribers. I've been doing this for 6 years and it's just cool to me. It's not much, but it's enough for me, you know. There unfortunately will not be a celebration for this milestone, but there will probably be one for 750. And then eventually 1,000. Fingers crossed. We can do this. Now let's get to the video. Hello everyone. Oh, there's my flip-flops. Forgot about that this morning. We're just barely under an enhanced risk that way. And just barely a 10% hatched risk for tornadoes. It goes down and rip right around the lake, right to here, and it ends right here. We're pretty much on the border of it. I've never gotten this before except for maybe 2013 or something, and I don't even hardly remember that because I was 6. So I know it seems like I'm recording less with these storms, but I'm just waiting for some, instead of just recording willy-nilly, I'm gonna wait for some bigger risks until I start recording. The bar's been raised a little bit. It is 90 in Chicago right now. It's 84 over here, but it's 90 in Chicago. Here's the true May weather. It's 90 in Chicago. And I looked at the spot behind where the cold front's coming through or whatever, and in like Montana and Canada and stuff, it says it's 46. It says it's 46. I swear. So when it goes, if it's gonna go from 90 to 46, that tells you something. That's something. My dad's, oh yeah, I forgot. My dad's telling me to bring the stuff up against the trailer this time, and he's gonna try and get home before this gets here. So that's how you can tell this is bad. Freaking yard. Look at that. Starting to look like the other one that looked almost like this from the old house. And Mom had that for like 25 years. It's starting to look like that. Alright, I'm gonna check back in a little bit because I want to save time on this thing. Okay, I told you it was gonna be dark. What the? Oh, I gotta clean that. Ew. It's a little breezy right now. Way ahead of the thunderstorm. There's already reports of 60-mile-an-hour gusts. North of us, way north of us. I mean, like north of Grand Rapids, that's 80. It says 80, and there's a couple tornado warnings in it. Yeah, that's nasty. That's nasty. I saw some lightning. Oh, I see thunder. No. There's like mosquito hawks up here. Yeah, there's already reports of like 60 way ahead of the thunderstorm, and it's been getting breezier and breezier. Every half hour or so, it just keeps getting breezier. Like that tree was getting real loud a couple minutes ago. Dad should be home. Hopefully in like 15 minutes. You can cut the air with the knife. It's not even really that hot right now. It's like 70. And I'm like drinking the air. I could drink the air right now. Well, that's really smart. Yeah, I'm gonna get away from there now. Alright, meet you back in a bit. Hopefully Dad will be back. Gotta have some real sedatives when I do this now. Like Valium or something. No. Maybe. I don't know. Just took a picture of myself and my beard is starting to look ridiculous. Oh, you see that? I think Yep, there it is. I think it's spinning. I'm gonna check the radar.
Bring it over here. Come on. Well, I know it.
I might. I don't know. I might cave. I don't think I can do this one. Oh, Jesus. It's entering the county over there. Eaton. Like Sunfield and stuff. My sister and nephew and my brother-in-law. They're all in the basement. I thought I heard a siren. There's tornado warnings all over. They're threatening 60 miles an hour, not 70 or 80. My sister and them are in the basement. My grandma's called us about 3 times. They're talking right now, and I might head over there. I don't think I can do this one. There's been a change a year and a half ago. There's been a change a year and a half ago to me, and now I don't know what happened. I'm not joking about that Valium thing. With anything really. Except for guitars and the Wings of Fire hobby. That's fine. I don't freak out. Oh, shite. You scared me. What the? Oh, you took it down.
Yeah.
We like this thing. Good luck.
I don't want it stabbing anybody out of it.
Hi. This window's a little too open. I might. God dang it. Kid freaks out over 10% tornado risk. It's a phone call from Mom. Phone call from +1,576,389,001. That was a scam phone number. From like last year. Just said wrong. Here's the rain. I just heard it. Oh, Jesus. I saw it. There's a bolt. Oh, there's a glare. Stupid. See that? I can't clean this thing anymore. I'm waddling. Because I am crapping my pants. Eat money. Township. I hear Delta Township. They got a new one. I hear a new siren. Oh my God. Ah. Please. It's still as heck. He's playing video games, of course. And I think they shut off. The warning overhead, my sister is about done. Well, like 10 more minutes. Oh my God. What a world. What have I got myself into? Ew. Dad's out of the shower, luckily. It's all starting to move now. Rapids nighttime speaks POV. Trains are still going.
Oh yeah, still gotta do your job.
What?
I said, oh yeah, still gotta do your job.
Yeah.
There's the planes flying in.
Very safe. I already gotta wipe this thing again. Delta is a whole new type of scary. Oh, it's quiet. First time hitting out here in like 10 minutes. There's no rain. The dripping you're hearing is what happened. It's not done yet. They've calmed it down to 55-mile-an-hour gusts. It might give us that. No tornado warning over us, and the sirens have shut off. I don't know if I've already said that. I just got distracted by how quiet it got. Oh, Lodi. Oh, Jesus. Oh, shit. I just missed a strike. It was right over. It was beautiful. Delta Township has gone off so long that it's now in the key of E instead of the key of F. Oh, I see it moving. I see the clouds stretching. This day has turned freaky. Is that even an equinox? Sounds different. An equinox is a type of siren. You guys probably know that. But they've about turned off. There's a tornado between Eaton Rapids and Potterville, of course. They have like twigs, toothpicks sticking up all over the place down there. That light's having a stroke now. Oh, green! Oh, crap! I recorded the last clip in 4:3 aspect ratio on accident. Oh, they're moving now. There it is. 55, 60. Right at us. God, please don't speed it. Ooh, the line. Rainstorm, there it is. The rain part. Are they back on yet? No. There was a dot. Oh, God dang it. What? Shh. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Go.
What?
Take out our back window.
It's getting louder. Tell your dad he's a meanie. Oh, it's moving. Oh, geez. That broke. What?
Take a picture of all that lightning or just take video of it. Send it to us.
It's black. I slipped twice. Yeah. There it goes. That's the door. That's not me. There's one by the... Wasn't Amazon there too?
Yeah, I'll buy that.
That huge building.
For those
You can-
Sirens for.
You can see you can see it from space almost how big it is. The Meyer distribution center. Yeah, this is just terrifying. This is why if this was daytime, I wouldn't be freaking out like this. What are you doing, you idiot? Neighbor's still playing video games.
Yeah.
Yeah, or like watching a movie or something.
I know.
How smart of me. The leaves are finally coming in on those over there. Yeah, there's a tornado down by the Meyer distribution center, way down South Eaton County. God. Oh, dang it! I missed it. That was a classic lightning bolt. It was that shape right over the trees. It's a like my old logo that I have abandoned because I'm not a 14-year-old fat teenager. They're back on. Oh, now they're off again. Let me text my sister, dang it. I knew that was gonna. I was just about to text my sister back, and then I saw a big flash out here, like somebody took a picture. Neighbor waved at me. That looked like a positive flash. I think it might be past us. God, that wind's cold. I mean, I said it was like 30. No, I mean like 45 right behind this thing, so. Wow. Light still having a stroke. It's over us now. Rotation on over my sister's. My sister and them over there. I keep missing this crap. It's all that way now at this point. One over the Meyer distribution center, as I said, and a dot on the radar. I forget what it's called, what type of radar it's called, but it went over my grandma's place in our old house. There was the one that hit my sister, almost hit my sister, went over Potterville. That must be the same one this entire time. And we're watching these radar people, and they cannot pronounce a dang thing right here in Michigan. Not that I really care, after all. Said a canal, they said Canal Road. So they must be from Illinois or something. That's the edge right there. All that crap is behind us. Sirens have stopped. I messaged in our private group chat. Well, my friend James, we were talking on there, and I asked if everybody's alright. He said, no, I'm not alright. So, and his cat went went away or something. Not ran away, but well, is hiding from everybody, I guess. And Window Jug Tyler messaged me, and I forgot to text back, so I'm gonna do that in a minute now. The power flickered. What is that? I think that's a plane. I think so. It's flashing. Oh crap! The streetlights are all out. Are you all right? No, you were all left. That sucks. That was stupid. They probably were all left. Okay, I'll stop. Oh man. You can still hear it, and there's still lightning going over us, but it's not raining anymore. Well, it's raining a little bit, but that's it over there. My grandma's good. Jack's good. Everybody seems to be good. Haven't got back with Siren 1000T yet. Dan. Oh! Damn it. I mean damage. Damn it. I'm so shocked, yeah. It's all that way. It's all down the street. Oh my god. God. That's neat looking. I'm gonna go up to the window with it. What is going on down there? Someone get shot? Look at me. Damage! Damage! I don't even know where to put this. That's ridiculous. That's a big branch too. It's all up their trailer and stuff. All these box elder seeds are on the ground. Where do I even put this thing? Why am I even doing this on camera? This is the end of the storm fiasco. That door's still open. Probably should close it. My little SX540 has water damage, but it still works. That's how good Canon is. Okay, I think Mom's coming out. Well, thank you guys for watching that crap. I went ape. Dang. That was ridiculous. It's still going. I should probably get under the porch. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And let's get to, I don't even know what subscribers I'm going to be at by the time I get this out. But yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.